So it is extremely early in the morning. I'm tired. Ms. Ryda don't want to get up right now. She being lazy. But we got a lot of filming to do today and a lot of stuff to do because I'm going to film the reveal video of the Ducati, but I still got some vinyl to cut. So let's get that done. Hey, you having fun eating? Hey.
Infinit Ryda.
All right, so I already did a lot today. I waited too long. We went and got breakfast. I got another tattoo that's on here covered up in plastic. So the first thing you want to do before you do a reveal video is wash the bike. I can't say it again. Wash the damn bike. So I'm about to pull out the Ducati and wash it real quick. And of course, the weather always likes to fuck with your plans. Damn. So we came down here to scout out this parking deck right here before we pulled the Ducati out to film the reveal video. Luckily we did, because the top of the roof is like blocked off. You can't go up there, which is damn right, just flat out stupid. Okay, so after driving around forever, I found this cool looking parking deck that I might be able to use to do a reveal video, like inside of there, and then there's somewhere next door that I might be able to use too. So we're gonna go home and get the bike and come back over in this area and hopefully get this filmed. All right, so we got the bike. We on our way back to the location to shoot the footage. It's getting a little cool out, so I'll probably only get the main footage for the Ducati today, and then like tomorrow or later on this week I'll try to get me some B-roll and additional footage that's going to help like build up and make the video a lot more cinematic or whatnot. I can't just do it basic. That ain't me. We actually drove past a couple spots that I feel like I want the footage from those spots in like the beginning of the video before I reveal the bike. Y'all saw the bike in the beginning of the video, but there it is right there, Ms. Ryda's back there. But yeah, we gonna do this thing. We gonna do this. The sun though. And as y'all know, in this season of my Ducati, we're gonna show the reveal video, and then it's gonna be a bunch of videos of all the parts and everything I put on the bike, so y'all will get to see a more in-depth view of everything that's on this thing. But before I even drop those, I'm considering, with y'all comment down below if y'all want to see this first, of doing a video where I walk around and just tell you everything I did to the bike, and then go into the install videos after that. Like, let me know y'all thoughts on that, if you think that might be a little bit better, or do you want to just see the install videos and then a final review of everything at the end of the season? Come on, blue car, you is like, it ain't no reason to just like be on the exact speed limit. You could go 5 over place. So we made it down here. The hardest part about what I'm about to do is you gotta shoot really, really fast, because a lot of the places I film, or you do film, or anybody's gonna film, are places you ain't supposed to be filming. So I gotta do this quick. So let's get up to the second level and see if we can knock this out. Perfect. I just got to find a nice spot in front of like a window or something. There we go. Right there. Look good. Yep. That's where we'll do it. All right. Well, let me film this real quick. Yeah, the light on there is perfect. Okay, so the main footage is done. I was able to get it filmed. Miss Ryder's right there. It came out, boom, which y'all already know. You saw it in the beginning of the video. So I'm about to ride back to the house, and I get the rest of the B-roll footage later. But this thing look good sitting under that light. You can't tell me it don't. With the carbon fiber on there, whole bike is carbon fiber. That girl beautiful. And in this parking garage, if you hear what she sound like, oh my God. I've been here for a minute, so technically this is a cold start. Damn! That's all I can say. Damn! It make you say, damn! So normally, when I do stuff like that, I get bothered by security guards or whatnot. There was one security guard in there. He walked past, then he drove past. But he ain't bothered me too much. I told him Miss Ryder was with me. He said, oh, that's cool. I think he was just checking to make sure we weren't up there vandalizing or nothing like that. He actually probably liked the Ducati because she is kind of sexy. Hope no one's peed on here. Usually I have more in the backpack, but today, just the camera. And that is it. Let's get this footage. Oh, can't have a pick in the shot. Alright, let's see what else I can use. I just need B-roll shit. A little shaky. But you can't tell me that is not a beautiful ass motorcycle. Let's go have some more fun.